I don't really know how to start this video off. I've never done a reviewing product video before, so I'm just gonna wing it. Let's just get right into it. Recently, I decided that I wanted to check out new products. I realized that the products that I was using were just harsh chemicals involved in them. So I found this new product from a company called Plaine products, and we're gonna be doing a review of it. So I guess let's just open the box, because like, what else is there to say? Okay, so when you first open the box, there's like Plaine product pro tips. Help us reuse bottles and boxes. Rinse and dry empty bottles before you put them in the box to be returned. Order a refill bottle before you run out, or subscribe for an automatic refill. Free return label comes with refill bottles. Bonus, the backing of the label is recyclable. Okay, so this is how it looks when you open it. Boom. Okay, and so this is it. This is the main attraction. Okay, so on the front of the bottle right here, it says that it's vegan, sulfate-free, silicone-free, biodegradable formula, palm oil-free, paraben-free, and kid-safe. So I also got the face moisturizer. I don't really know what the difference is between this and the body lotion, so we'll just do a review of this too. But yes, this as well, it says that it's biodegradable formula, vegan, sulfate free, cruelty free, and paraben free. Okay, so I mean basically this is just lotion, so there's not really too much to talk about, so let's just open this baby up and try it out. Okay, so it's definitely unscented. It smells super fresh. Like, it smells like, wow, and it's like pretty full. Like, it smells like you just, like how it would smell if you like just got out of the shower. All right, there's like a lot in it. I don't even want to put it on because it'll just like come out. So that's good to know that they're not, you know, cheating you out of lotion. Okay, here we go. All right, okay, let's try it out. So one thing about me, I hate lotions that are like very, like, I want them to soak into the skin, but I don't want it to be like too watery. Like, it needs to be the right amount of thickness and the right amount of like wateriness, if that makes sense. So let's see how this actually works out. Okay, I don't know why I keep smelling it when I got the unscented. It's like, I just want to make sure it doesn't smell like anything. I mean, it absorbs quickly. It feels like, I don't know, it just feels like regular lotion, but you can tell that there's like not too much to it. Like, when you use any other kind of lotion, like, it's like you can just tell. I don't know, it's like this feeling you get. But I mean, it's nice, and my hands don't look like shiny. Like, they just look like I just like got out of a like shower, and they're like clean as fuck. Now, I don't know, I like it. It's like normal lotion. Now, I can't believe that this is a 16-ounce bottle, because it looks like super small. And my concern is that for a body lotion, like, how fast is this gonna run out before I need to buy another one? But I am happy that it's like actual like reusable. There's no like plastic all over the freaking landfills. Like, yeah, that's the body lotion. Let's just get into the facial lotion really quick. I'm not gonna put it on, but I will put some on my arm just to see. Okay, so it looks like it's, for some reason, this is taking longer to absorb, and it does have a different smell than the body lotion. I mean, it's just lotion at the end of the day. Like, there's not like really too much to say about it. I like it. I'm gonna try it out and see how I enjoy it over time. I'll keep you guys updated in the comments of this video. If you have any questions or commentary about it, just comment below and let me know. Yeah, that's pretty much it. But thank you so much for watching, and subscribe if you haven't been subscribed already. Peace.